Hi, it's Michelle with Hatch Homes Group, and I'm here at my listing at 5359 Northwest WICKIUP. So let's giddy up WICKIUP and go inside this gorgeous house. Here you have a lovely walkway, plenty of parking outside, new hardware. This house is nice and air conditioned. It is 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And I just love the vaulted ceilings. Like you walk in here and you're just welcomed in light and space and coziness. I mean, look at that nook. I love it. There's a lot of little nooks around. The house is also had all new countertops in kitchens and bathrooms, new hardware throughout. The roof is less than 10 years old. And it's just in such a really great shape, well cared for, great storage. Another little nook here. Something I love about this floor plan is how it just goes around in another circle, straight through to the living room again. But before we go upstairs, let's check out the laundry and the half bath and this awesome garage. Look at all that storage. It's just great. Nice and insulated. So yeah, again, you have another little dining nook, a great bar. I mean, this space is just meant for entertaining, right? Everybody gathers in the kitchen, so plenty of room here. The house is just over 1,800 square feet, but it feels even bigger. And then, of course, we come outside and we have an outdoor living space, which I really love. You could put a huge table here and just kind of live out here. Perfect size yard, easy maintenance. It even has like the little shed over there. And behind the shed is even more space with a couple of raised boxes. Yeah, it's just really nice. I think they had a hot tub over there at some point. Somebody did. And yeah, I just love this pergola. I guess that's what you call it, right? So we're going back into this nice air condition and we'll take a look upstairs. Again, just so much space that you wouldn't think is there, but it is. So much light. I mean, I barely have any lights on right now, and it's just full. I mean, look, there's another skylight. And then we walk up to the primary room, and it has a generous closet, walk-in closet. Hi. Great walk-in shower, plenty of space here. Plenty of space for big furniture too. King size bed could fit in here with nightstands. So that's generous. Here's the hall bathroom. Hi. Great floors in here. And then you have 3 other bedrooms. So again, it's a total of 4 bedrooms. This one they had as their office, but if you have a family, there's plenty of space for all the kids. So this is bedroom 2. And then 3. I kind of like the green, but of course paint is easy. And then you have another generously sized room here. And yeah, good closet organizers. The whole thing is just great. And look at that vaulted ceiling.